the?
Stop saying what the heck. Shut up.
Oh. What?
My name is Patrick.
What the?
And
What the hems?
okay, hindi yun bad word kung sabi mo lang what the hems.
What the heck?
Sabi ko say mo lang ng what the hems.
Okay. What the fuck?
Don't say that!
Okay, sorry.
I'm
Bad word, yeah. What the fuck?
Opo, bad word yun.
Bad word,
What the
yeah.
hems?
What the?
What the heck is that? No way! No way! No!
What the
So say,
heck?
stop saying what the heck!
Okay, sorry. What the?
Don't say what the frick. Don't
What
say
the
that.
fuck?
Don't say that, what the fuck?
Okay, it's a bad word.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Adi, look at this. Look at it. Lagay ka ng splinter dito eh. Mamubuga, magic trick yun. Pagaling.
What?
So, tingnan mo to. Okay, daddy. Tingnan mo to. Okay, ano ko muna, send ko muna dito yung sa ano mo na. Galing!
Ano yun?
Yung to. Galing!
Galing?
Oo.
Okay.
Galing yun. Okay, bilis mo to. Oh, galing!
Galing.
Daw sa bubo pa, galing. Kaya mo?
Kaya ka yan.
Okay, tingnan mo to magic trick.
Okay. Marunong ka magic trick?
Tingnan mo to.
Okay. Ano yun?
Wala.
Hmm?
Dati tingnan mo to.
Uy.
Wala. Wala dito. Wala. Apa.
Uy. Ano yan?
Nagawa ko pa.
Ang gawa mo?
Ano to? Look at this. Boom. Look at this. Yung to. Galing. Nagawa ko naman dito. Daddy, look at this. Tingnan mo to pa. Ang bigat pa. I'm holding this. Ang bigat.
Bigat.
Daddy, look at this. Look at this magic trick naman. Apalagay mo to dito. Ang kagigil, bakit ayaw?
Pagigil.
Baka to, pwedetad pala? Pwedetad ba? Oh, galing. Daddy, tingnan mo to. What the hems is that?
What the
Don't say what the frick. Don't say that.
What the heck?
Daddy, na-break ko pa.
What?
Sorry, na-break ko pa.
Break mo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Daddy, na-break ko. Sorry.
Sorry.
I don't mean to.
Sleep ka na.
Pa,
Sleep na tayo. I'm sleepy na. Nuntok na ako. Love. Stop na yan.
wow. 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 Na-broken ko.
Broken mo? Why?
I'm broke.
You broke?
Yeah. Look at this.
No. Sleep na tayo.
Bakit siya pa nag-win?
Ewan ko.
Sabi ko si ate,
No, matulog na tayo.
na ayaw ko.
Ay nako, matulog na tayo. Bahala.